Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. It's Mark Wiens. I'm in Phuket in southern Thailand, and today I'm very excited to go to a restaurant that's called Jat Jan, which literally translates in Thai to powerful, strong, intensely flavorful food. And the chef, he is incredibly nice. Okay. Another thing that you gotta know about the chef is that he's a former 5-star hotel chef, and he now cooks street food. You can tell he just puts 100% of his love into the food. We're gonna order a bunch of dishes. We're gonna watch him cook. He's so friendly. He's such a character. I can't wait to share this meal with you in Phuket.
เพราะว่าถ้าทำเป็นแกงต้องใช้เยอะแล้วเก่ง
เนื้อปู
เป็นแกงเนื้อปลาอร่อยเนื้อปลากระพงขาวใช่อร่อยฮะ
เป็นแกงกะทิเหมือนกัน
แกงกะทิเหมือนกัน
ได้ไหม
แล้วก็มีปลานี้ด้วยอย่างนึงเป็นกะทินะเดี๋ยวเอาให้ดูปลานี้มันมากเลยทำเป็นแกงกะทิได้เลยแบบทำแบบกะทิใช้เนื้อปลามงเขาเรียกปลามงหัวเสี้ยมของทางภูเก็ตจะเป็นปลามงที่อร่อยมากเลยนะฮะได้ครับแล้วอะไรอีกทานสตอไหมฮะ
ผัดสตอด้วยครับ
สตอทานกุ้งเนี่ยกุ้งหมูสับสตอกะปิ
เอาไหม
แค่นี้พอก่อน
Just going over the dishes. Unfortunately, the crab curry is only in the evening. He only has a little bit of crab right now, so that's kind of disappointing, unfortunately. But he has some other signature dishes that he's going to cook for us. Chef เป็นเชฟที่โรงแรมด้วยใช่ไหมครับ
ครับเคยทำเชฟโรงแรมมา แต่ว่านานแล้วครับนานมากอยู่มาริออทเมื่อก่อน
โอเค
ผมทำงานโรงแรม20กว่าปี
ทำอาหารที่โรงแรม20 กว่าปี
แต่ว่าหลายโรงแรมโคโคนัทมิลค์
โอเค
ใบมะกรูดผมยังไม่ได้เปิดร้านไงยังไม่เรียบร้อยอะไรเหรออ๋อใช่ครับร้านยังไม่เรียบร้อยยังไม่สวย
No สวยผมชอบร้านอันนี้ครับผมชอบบ้านๆครับ
บ้านๆ
ที่สุด
แต่บ้านๆอร่อยอยู่แล้ว
ใช่ครับ
หอยหวานก็มีนะคะ
โอ้ยหลายอย่างเลยนะต้มยำคุณอยู่ประเทศไหนครับเนี่ย
อเมริกาครับ
ที่ไหนครับ
ใช่ครับอาริโซนาใช่ครับ
ผมเป็นเชฟเบนิฮาน่า
ใช่
ผมเป็นเชฟเบนิฮาน่าที่นานแล้ว
ชื่อเบนิฮาน่าครับ
เบนิฮาน่าที่เท็กซัสดัลลัส
He was a chef at a 5-star hotel for over 20 years in Phuket. Look at that squeeze. More than 20 years. More than 20 years.
That time is, I think, 22, 23 years ago. Just go to practice.
Okay. And then you just started working at the hotel?
Yeah, I worked first in Marriott Hotel. They sent me to
Marriott Hotel. And then when did you start your own restaurant?
Oh, I opened here 21 years already.
Oh, 21 years already. 20 years in a hotel. More than 20 years at a hotel.
Michelin guy give me like a big poumon, like the best street food.
That's awesome.
It's a good price, fresh. My food is all
quality,
fresh.
Good quality.
It's good quality and good price.
Best food.
Medium price, not low, not high.
Awesome.
It's okay?
Yes, I'm very happy to be here today.
Thank you very much.
And I love your cooking skills already. I just want to say a huge thank you for watching this video. I hope you're already enjoying it. But right now, if you could quickly click like on this video, you would be a huge help. And it will just take you 1 second. So thank you in advance for clicking like on this video.
I explain a little bit.
Very okay.
Sunflower, little vitamin and little pepper.
Okay.
And soy sauce and chopped garlic. A lot of garlic.
A lot of garlic.
Yeah. ไม่ต้องจ้ะ but
Aqua Bamong.
yeah, ประมง
Yeah, it smells amazing.
squid with garlic and pepper
Okay.
and with chili in here. Make it a little spicy. Tom yum.
Ready.
Ready tom yum.
Wow. Smells incredible. You're so fast.
Yeah, make fast. Because only me cooking.
Yes.
Only me cook. If I'm not fast, you know, my customer is boring. ของน้องนี่อะไรนะ
กะเพราไก่ไข่ดาว
แบบอะไร
Chef is such an awesome personality, so friendly, and he is so fast. A masterful skills, just sloshing things around, scooting things around, deep frying, moving from wok to wok, moving from burner to burner. Awesome skill. Oh, and the squid is ready.
The squid with garlic and pepper.
All right.
Shallot.
Yeah.
I'm not explain how to cook.
Oh, with a little bit of lime juice. อันนี้เพิ่งมาทำกาปันกะปิ
กุ้งผัดสตอกะปิกุ้งผัดใส่หมูสับด้วยหมูสับสตอกะปิ This is
Ready.
ready. It's delicious, sure.
Yes, it smells incredible.
And the last one.
Okay.
Fried rice with crab meat.
The last one.
This is
Wow. Thank you very much, Chef.
Welcome, you're
Thank you, Chef. Oh man, his skill is incredible. And he just flies on those woks, changing from burner to burner, going from spatula to spoon, sloshing juices and broths and stocks around. The last dish, that just is in a heap of smoke. The stir-fried minced pork, shrimp, and stink beans with shrimp paste. His friendliness and just his like happiness in the kitchen. You could just tell it's his passion cooking, and he loves what he does. I'm rushing to the table to eat. Oh man, I can't wait. Even more than the actual food, I have to say that nothing makes me more excited and gives me more energy about food than a chef who is as passionate, as friendly, and as cool as chefs. You could tell he just puts 100% of his love into the food. He's actually opening right now. He's putting the sign up. We got here a little bit early. There's the sign now. That's awesome. Yes. There's the sign. He is so incredibly cool. But again, I love this shop. It's a shop house, open air patio restaurant. And it is street food, but he's just elevated it to the next level with that plating, the quality of ingredients, and just the ultimate knowledge and experience about cooking, the different fire, the different heat levels. Wow, okay, I can't wait. I'm gonna quickly start with this dish because it's right in front of me, which is Bamuk Tod Piksot, which is squid with a ton of garlic and fresh chilies in it. And he just deep fried this it was actually a flash deep fry, so fast. A little bit of flour in here to make it extra crispy.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, okay, awesome. Awesome, nice to meet you. Very nice. Do you come here? Do you come here often?
Yeah.
To this restaurant?
I have been eating here up to 10 years so far.
Oh, wow, awesome.
Because I live nearby.
Ah,
And
okay.
It's so convenient for me.
Yes. And he's so good.
And he has been great in cooking.
Yes.
And every time when I have been visited by many friends around the world, I will bring them.
You'll bring them here?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Every time.
Oh, wow. Oh, the pepper, the chilies, the crispy caramelized garlic, the tender squid. It's all there on that plate. Oh, that's extraordinary.
It just started with it.
Did you finish your whole plate of rice already?
Yeah.
Wow. Ying, how's the food?
It's very good. I finished what you started.
That tells you how good the food is. Next up, the dish I have to try, this is the gang bamong, which is this fish curry. And again, unfortunately, he didn't have the crab curry today, but that's okay. This, he said, is incredible. He added coconut milk here, the curry paste, shrimp paste, a whole steak fillet of the blamong fish, and then kaffir lime leaves. Break off these steak slices. This has to be on the rice. What a perfect dish to break into the rice with. And just load it up with more of that curry sauce. Drench it. The balance of flavor from slightly sweet to a little bit spicy. That's almost like a Penang curry, but Southern Thai style. And then just that fresh fish. Oh, that's incredible. Oh, just simple, flavorful, citrusy, bright and poppy. The fish just melts in your mouth. Okay, next up for the tom yum, which is tom yum tale. It's a seafood tom yum. He added in fish, he added in shrimp, so many shallots, there's so much lemongrass and galangal in here. It's just loaded. And he added in, we got nam kon, which is the milk broth, so he added in some milk in here. It's just a balance of flavor, just like the curry. It's sweet, it's sour, it's slightly spicy, it's so fragrant. You can really taste the lemongrass and that balance of galangal. And in southern Thailand, often tomatoes are used in tom yum to give it kind of an umami, a balance, an extra tartness as well. And the galangal, he really sliced it thin so you can actually eat. Well, I love to eat the slices of galangal too. That's just soothing. It's wonderful. And then next dish we got is gung patsatao gapi, which is shrimp, but a bunch of minced pork in here. And these are huge stink beans. Look at the size of that. Massive stink beans. You smell the shrimp paste. He added in onions, and he fried this in literally a cloud of smoke. Look at the size of that stink bean. That stink bean is huge. It takes up the whole spoon. That might be one of the biggest single stink beans I've ever seen. It's so smoky. Like 1 second longer in that wok and it would have been burnt. He let that just fire roar. He let the smoke build up like a cloud, and all of that flavor ended up in that sauce, in the shrimp, in the minced pork, and in those crunchy stink beans. That's not spicy, but it's just so fragrant, incredibly aromatic, and that umami from the shrimp paste. Okay, and then the last dish actually that we got is fried rice. So there's pieces of crab in here, there's egg, and again he fried it so dry, so smoky. You can actually smell, you can see the smokiness with your eyes. Get a little bit more of that crab. And I gotta immediately add a bit of prik nam pla, chilies and fish sauce to this. A little bit of chili on there. Oh, a squeeze of, you have to hit that with a squeeze of lime as well. It's part of the reason why kapat bu or stir-fried crab fried rice is so good. The chilies and the lime juice. In addition to the crab, of course. Oh, and the nuggets of crab in there. Again, that wok smokiness is what makes it. And the dry, just individual grains of rice, the texture of it, the fish sauce and chilies, and then the nuggets of crab. Really, every dish is superb. Every dish cooked with so much passion, so much love. The squid is absolutely awesome. And the way he scored it so that the texture has so many different textures. And there is so much garlic in here. That squid is masterful. And there's so much garlic in there that the entire dish is actually sticky. It's sticky from garlic. And the pepper, as you keep on chewing, your tongue actually tingles a little bit from how much pepper's in there. I love that.
ปลาที่มันมากอร่อยมาก
อร่อยมากครับอร่อยครับทุกอย่างอร่อยมากครับ And again, like, food is awesome, but when the chef is as cool as him, it takes it to the next level. That passion and love is a huge part of this restaurant. Smokiest stink beans I've ever had, and because you fried it on such a high fire, just very lightly cooked, very almost just wilted, and remain really crisp on the inside. I think that squid is actually one of the best dishes. It's so incredibly addictive. Wow, it's tasty. And that just wraps up a well-rounded, delicious, friendly, one of the happiest chefs that you will ever meet. Some of that caramelized garlic. Yes, chef. So his name is Chef Dang. Awesome. Nice to meet you. Mark.
Mark.
Yes.
Thai name is Dang.
Dang. Okay.
English name Danny.
Danny. Okay, Chef Danny. Chef Danny. Awesome. It was an honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Very much.
Amazing food.
Yes. Welcome back again.
ขอบคุณมากๆครับ Laid back, it's fun, delicious food, and just great, fantastic experience. And so that completes lunch at Jatjan Restaurant by Chef Danny. Highly recommended. He's so cool. He will take care of you. The only thing I'm disappointed about is that we didn't get to try his crab curry, but that's all right. That means I'll have to come back to try it next time. It's also so cool to see that he's been recognized in the Michelin Guide, and he's a local favorite. And I want to say a big thank you to you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed, click subscribe and also click the little bell icon, and that way you'll immediately get notified of the next video that I publish. Goodbye from Phuket. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.